Hello folks, like, you know, I thought I'd like, you know, like, what's it, like, have a little update of my little collection of watches is coming along. Like, you know, what you can see there is my 1967 Cropico Normatest, which I bought for £10, working perfectly. Like, you know, and I use it for all my electrical stuff because it's brilliant. And this was actually put together like in a factory next door to the hospital where I was born, so I'm quite happy with that. As you can see, I've still got watches on the go, like all like working, like just time testing them, make sure they're not losing anything. There's my little granddaughter's like a flick flack watch, which has got an outer movement in, which fitted to some posh watches, you know, so she's going to be happy with that. You know, these ones I've got to change the cases over or something. That one I don't, I just got to put it back on its thing. Like, you know, like, you know, you can see I'm watching one of my favourite channels. There's old Martin. Hello Martin, you having fun there, mate? So this is what it's all about, is like, you know, it's like my little collection is starting to grow now. So here's a lovely little Adidas 3-stripe watch, which I bought for you know, for really cheap. Keeps beautiful time. It's absolutely spot on, that is. There's my Seconda, of course. That's brilliant. Now this is one I bought. I got in a bundle of stuff. There's gold Seconda, like, you know, and it's actually got a really posh movement in it as well, and that's real gold. That's proper gold plated. You can buy them new for about 30 quid from hourglass, but I mean, come on, like, you know. And it's called a tiger's eye because it's got like a beveled gold plated dial. I mean, I should imagine the gold plating itself is probably like atomic thin, but you know, the thing is, I can always replay it if it starts to show where it's a dress watch, like, you know, but it's a nice looking one, like, you know. Here comes Adidas watch number 2. See, I'm a great fan of Adidas stuff, like, you know, I mean, I'm wearing that Adidas, like, you know, luminous orange top, and, you know, but that's a nice little watch, like, you know, it's very, very comfortable to wear, you know. You've seen the other two, like, you know, here's a nice one, which I've put on the Zulu band. Right, you know, I can't get it's a Xeon of all things, like, you know, but I can't get the back to stay on, so I'm going to have to find a proper back for it. But, I mean, you know, that's like, the inset's a navy blue, and it really, really does have a good lume on it, so it's good to see at night. It's a good workwear watch. You've seen the Timex and the other Seconda, which I put back on there. And what I'm wearing is a Russian tank watch. Right, the thing is bloody huge, like, you know, but it's brilliant, and it was like silly money for something that works brilliant. It's got the proper Russian movement, where the movement is up at the 2 o'clock position, not the 3 o'clock position. Keeps good time. I mean, you know, I mean, they cost about £4. And I think to myself, oh, I like that, because I love Russian watches, and I've got quite a few Russian things coming this way. Right, you know, so I thought I'd just, you know, have a little update, or, you know, I mean, I've still been like knocking up, you know, changing movements and stuff like that. But this thing here, this thing is absolutely brilliant for testing, like, you know, if I turn it to like that there, it does continuity, see? So, you know, that's all I need. Like, you know, since it took me about a week to get to work it all, like, as you can see, I mean, you have to turn it different things to, like, you know, and it's got a decibel thing on it, right? If you look there, it says AVDB. When you put it in that mode, and I find the probe for it, right, it means I can listen to watches, because it actually has the little thing does a beat. Like, you know, so when a watch makes a noise, it actually picks it up. And I mean, that's not bad for a 1967 built machine. Like, you know, I mean, it's German, like, you know, put together by people in, like, Fontenay, where I was born. Like, oh, I'm quite happy with that. Like, anyway, I will, like, you know, thought that would be a little bit of an update, like, you know. nothing else much going on health-wise, or or anything else. But as you can see, I've been slowly working on developing a really nice personal watch collection. I've got about 40 working quartz watches now, and about 5 to 10 like working wind-up watches, and I don't know what to do with them. So I'll probably just put them all up on eBay as a big job lot. Somebody else can make some money out of it or something, I don't know. Anyway, speak to you all later. Bye.